Hi students and welcome to Easy Chemistry by Patan, and today's class is solvation effect on basicity of amines. So amines are basic in nature due to having acidic hydrogen, and this effect will show differently in different conditions. As we learned that previously, amines basicity depending on different terms. Before going into solvation effect on basicity, I am giving a revision for basicity of amines. Amines basicity mainly depending on few factors like hybridization, hybridization, resonance, aromaticity, inductive effect, inductive effect, hydrogen bonding, charge, that is negative charge, electronegativity, electronegativity, solvation, electronegativity, solvation, and like these factors. These are the factors influencing basicity of amines. Hybridization, resonance, aromaticity, inductive effect, hydrogen bonding, charge, that is negative charge, and electronegativity. And the next one we have solvation. And here we have steric hindrance also included in inductive effect. These are the factors. These I explained in previous video. If anybody need, you go and watch. In description box I given the link. And today I am going to explain solvation effect on basicity. As you know already, basic or basicity of amines in gaseous state, that is 1 degree greater than 2 degree greater than 3 degree, no doubt, due to inductive effect. In gaseous state, 1 degree greater than 2, 2 degree greater than 3. But here we are going to discuss in aqueous solutions. In aqueous solution means in aqueous position, means when amines dropped in water, how basic nature will be affected, how basic nature is going to be affected. What happened here means actually when an amine, whether primary or secondary or tertiary, dropped in water, they form ammonium ions. Ammonium ions means if you are taking primary amine, primary ammonium ion, secondary amine, secondary ammonium ion, tertiary amine, tertiary ammonium ion. And these ammonium ions show the effect on basic nature. When amines treated with water, what happened means solvation will be takes place. Solvation will be takes place. What is meant by solvation means solvation nothing but protonation. Protonation means addition of H plus. Addition of H plus means amines subjected to protonation gives ammonium ion. This already I given here. So solvation nothing but protonation, H plus addition. This solvation depending on mainly three factors. Solvation of amines takes place, or solvation depend on mainly three factors. One is inductive effect. Inductive effect. The second one is solvation. Means due to solvation, amines basicity going to be affected. Amines basicity going to be affected. And that basicity depending on inductive effect, solvation, and the third one, steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. Clear? So, in aqueous solution, basicity of amines depending on inductive effect, solvation, steric hindrance. Steric hindrance. And let me discuss how this will be show the effect basicity in aqueous solution. First I am taking inductive effect. Inductive effect. Inductive effect nothing but electron donation. Look here, I am taking three different amines. Primary amine, this is NH2, primary amine, and you have another one, secondary amine, and the third one you know very well, tertiary amine. Now inductive effect strength I am going. So here one electron donating group, here two electron donating group, here three electron donating groups. So it will show less than this, This is more inductive effect. So 1 degree less than 2 degree less than 3 degree. So 1, 2, 3. This is the order. Clear? 1, 2, 3. Next factor I am taking solvation. What I explain about solvation? Solvation nothing but protonation. We have to add proton. Look here, primary amine when subjected to treat with proton means hydration. Proton nothing but hydration. You are getting R, N, and here hydrogen, and here hydrogen. Means 2 hydrogens are there. This H plus we added, and this will bonded with one water molecule, and this will be bonded with one water molecule, and this will be bonded with one water molecule. This is solvation. And go for next one, second one, secondary amine, R, NH, R to NH. It will take 1H plus, giving rise to what happened? This is added to this, means R, N, and here are hydrogen, and this added one hydrogen. Now this hydrogen one water molecule, and this hydrogen one water molecule. So here 3 water molecules, here 2 water molecules. You go for 3 degree, R, N, R, addition of H plus. So what happened? Addition of H plus, one hydrogen you are getting, means R, N, R, here hydrogen and one water molecule. How many water molecule? One water molecule you are getting. Only one water molecule. Clear? So here 3 water molecules, here 2 water molecules, here 1 water molecule. Means this addition of water molecule solvation, here more than here and here more than here. Then the order is 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3, means 1 degree amine more solvation than 2 degree amine, 2 degree amine more solvation than 3 degree amine. This is inverse to inductive effect. In inductive effect what we got? 3 degree is less than 2 degree is less than 1 degree. This we got. Clear? So inductive effect is more here. Sorry. What we got here? What we got? 1 degree less than 2 degree less than 3 degree we got. Here 1 degree greater than 2 degree, 2 degree greater than 3 degree. Means inverse we got. This is solvation effect. This is inductive effect. And the third one we have here, the third factor, steric hindrance. Go for steric hindrance. Here we have steric hindrance. Third factor, steric hindrance. Steric hindrance nothing but crowding. Steric hindrance nothing but crowding. And go for first one, primary amine, R, N, H with lone pair, R, N, and here R, here H, lone pair, R, N, R, lone pair. No doubt. Here we have one group, here we have 2 groups, here we have 3 groups. Means 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3. Steric hindrance here is more. Like this. So 1 greater than 2, 2 greater than 3. Here we have the more water molecule. 1 more water molecule. Steric hindrance, here R group, 1 group showing, here 2 groups, here 3 groups. So more number of alkyl groups are there, more will be the steric hindrance. So based on this what we got? Finally, due to inductive effect, 3 greater than 2 greater than 1. Am I right? Due to solvation, what we got? 1 greater than 2 greater than 3. And due to steric hindrance 1 greater than 2, 2 greater than 3. Steric effect is more, but basicity is less. Why? Because more the electron donating group, crowding is more. More will be the crowding, then due to steric hindrance, it will not take water molecule. It will not take water molecule. So, due to steric hindrance, solvation capacity is going to be decreased. Clear? So, this we got 1, 2, 3. Now, if this R groups I am taking methyl group, look here, in every effect, inductive effect, solvation, steric effect, second degree is more, 2 degrees more, and next effect 1 degree, next 3 degree. Why this means I will show that. Now, other than methyl group, ethyl, propyl, butyl, whatever it may be, again 2 degrees great, no doubt. 2 degrees in aqueous solution, 2 degree is always greater, and then it follows 3 degree, follows 1 degree. Why this like this order means, look here, this methyl group not showing that much steric hindrance. That's why here solvation is greater than inductive effect. Means this methyl group will not show that much inductive effect. That's why solvation will be more. Solvation effect will be more. Solvation effect, what we discussed already, solvation effect 1 greater than 2, 2 greater than 3. Means 1 is greater than 3. 1 is greater than 3. 1 is greater than 3. Clear? But here we shown already 1 is greater than 3 only. So 2 is greater than. Why? Because in all effect 2 is more showing. So 2 greater than 1 greater than 3. See, 1 is greater than 3 here already in solvation we shown. 1 is greater than 3. Next. Here. So here what the factor you have to remember? Solvation effect is greater than inductive effect. When ethyl group is bigger group, it will show more inductive effect than solvation. So here inductive effect will dominate the solvation. Now you go for inductive effect. What is the order? This 2, no doubt, 2 is always greater than in every effect. 3 is greater than 1. In inductive effect, 3 is greater than 1. See here, 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. So you have to remember that in inductive effect, 3 greater than 2, 2 greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. In solvation, 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3. In steric hindrance, 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3. These two are same. But when you are taking methyl, in every effect 2 is greater and 1 is greater than 3. Why we took like this means, when methyl group is a smaller group, it will not show that much impact inductive effect. That's why in methyl group, solvation will be dominant than inductive effect. Solvation is more dominative than inductive. So solvation we have 1 is greater than 3. Am I right? 1 is greater than 3. Next, when you took ethyl, means other than methyl group, no doubt 2 is greater than. And when bigger group you are taking, inductive effect will dominate than solvation. So inductive effect you have to go for that. In inductive effect, 3 is greater than 1. 3 is greater than 1. So 3 is greater than 1. That is. So this you have to remember. So when you are taking methyl group, solvation will be dominate inductive effect. Other than methyl, any ethyl, propyl, butyl, whatever it may be, inductive effect will dominate than solvation. This is about solvation effect. Very important. This you remember. So if you like this concept, please subscribe to my channel, share with your friends. Look here one more time. Basic nature in aqueous solution depending on 3 factors: inductive effect, solvation, steric hindrance. Inductive effect, 1 is less than 2, 2 is less than 3, means 3 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 1. Solvation, 1 is greater than 2, 2 is greater than 3. Now, here in steric hindrance, here 1 group, here 2 groups, here 3 groups. As number of electron donating groups are more, steric hindrance is more. As steric hindrance is more, solvation is less. Solvation is less. That you remember. As steric hindrance is more, solvation, that is addition of water molecule, is less. That's why I given 1 greater than 2, 2 greater than 3. Thank you.